If you're rolling out new software this year, you don't need one tool. You need a whole stack. Here's what that actually looks like for the IT teams doing this well in 2026. Layer 1 is the platform itself. Salesforce, Workday, HubSpot, ServiceNow, whatever it actually is for your rollout. Layer 2 is documentation. It's captured from real workflows as people actually do them, not written from memory after the fact. Layer 3 is delivery. Guidance that lives in-app, not tucked away in a separate portal nobody remembers to open. Layer 4 is analytics, actually knowing what's being used, what's getting ignored, and exactly where people get stuck. Most rollouts really only fund Layer 1. Platform gets the budget, the timeline, the executive attention. Documentation, delivery, and analytics end up as an afterthought, if they even get planned for at all. That's exactly why the help desk gets crushed the first 90 days after launch. The platform's live, people are supposed to use it, but there's no documentation layer to answer their questions. There's no delivery layer to catch them at the moment of confusion, and no analytics layer to tell IT where the real problems are before the tickets pile up. The old stack was an LMS for training and a wiki for reference. Both live outside the actual software, both require someone to remember they exist, and both go stale the moment the process changes. The modern stack replaces both with guidance that's captured automatically. It lives inside the software and it shows real usage data instead of a training completion checkbox. This is the layer Tango is built to cover. You capture the workflow directly from the subject matter experts who already know how the platform's supposed to be used. No separate documentation project, no writing from memory weeks later. Tango turns that capture into a guide that lives right inside the platform itself, and it gives you the analytics to see exactly which steps people get stuck on. That's layers 2, 3, and 4 handled by one system instead of 3 separate tools that IT has to stitch together and maintain. Teams running the full stack don't just survive launch week, they can see in real time exactly where people are getting stuck and fix that gap before it turns into a ticket flood. Build the full stack, not just the platform layer, and your next rollout won't flood your help desk. This wraps up our How to Roll Out New Software playlist. You can try Tango for free at tango.ai. I'm Mark, let's Tango.